So here in the kitchen we got a couple of door gaskets we got to replace on this. It was on that freezer, this cooler. I got to replace the door gasket on this cooler. And also on the other cooler to the right, yeah, right there. There was employees in this kitchen, so I couldn't really talk. Well, I tried to talk, but after I played the video, it's really low. You can't really hear. So before replacing the door gaskets on this freezer, you need to replace that heater in that center post, because you can see there's ice buildup. And then you also have a perimeter heater on this true freezer, and that heater keeps the seals warm so they're soft, and also it doesn't allow frost to form around the door frame, because once these gaskets get hard, they get stiff and they'll start to crack and break. So if you just chip away the ice and put new gaskets, and not long they'll be broken again. So this true freezer here is 27 years old, but the customer chose to repair it, replace the two gaskets and replace the center post heater. So just kind of showing you that. Sometimes on old door gaskets, when you pull the rubber out, if this plastic track is rotted, it'll start to break, and then your gasket won't stick in it. This one's pulling out nice and easy. If you run into that, you need to heat this gasket with your heat gun and pull it out real slow. Sometimes pulling it out at an angle helps pull it out.
Also, another trick is you can put a dab of silicone inside on the corners, and it'll help hold the gasket in place, because sometimes the corners start to peel out over time. So just put a dab of silicone in there on each corner and then pop the gasket in and help hold it in place.
Make sure your track is clean before you put the new gasket in place, so that way it can fully seal. Alright. And once you put your gasket on, you want to look down the edge, see if you see any light coming through. Make sure you're getting a good seal. Good all the way down. So I'm gonna try to get these coolers done. I gotta do this one, and I'm gonna try to get that heater, everything done today. Let's see. The tip is when you're doing multiple gaskets, lay them all out outside the restaurant or wherever you're working, or maybe on the hood. If it's hot out and you put them out in the sun, that's even better, because they get real soft and they go on easier, and then they take the shape of the door. And because once they get cold, they kind of stiffen up, and then they don't want to seal. So you need to put the gasket on when it's real soft. It'll find its shape. And then, hello. All right, how are you? All right, somebody walk by, one of the employees. So yeah, you put it on when it's real soft and warm. Sometimes you soak them in hot water from the kitchen, but usually just laying them out works in the sun. So let them sit while you work on other stuff. So here we got the new heater in for the center post. I went ahead and replaced the whole center post except the back plate, but there we crimped on two waterproof butt splice connectors. Here I'm just amping out the heater, making sure it works. You can see it's around 0.14 amps. I just didn't want to put everything together and then find out it's not working. I'm just kind of checking it before I snap it on. I left the back piece original because I didn't want to have to unscrew it and then recaulk it. Well, put more silicone. So I left the back piece in the foam, and just the front stainless steel panel, and the with the new heater, I put that on. So just kind of showing you a few repairs on these door heaters and gaskets and stuff. Regular kitchen repairs. Alright, thanks for watching.